taking care of your guests. More and more people travel. More and more people requesting upmarket accommodation. More and more people are environment conscious. More and more people are aware of electrosmog, geopathic stress and the sick building syndrome. Chances are that your house makes your guests feel uncomfortable. You could ask some environmental engineers, environmental experts, esoteric people, or whoever offers you help. To our experience, help results mostly inexpensive and worthless adjustments, ongoing service, permanent follow-up costs. If that is good enough for you, go for it. If not, turn this page to learn how to improve the service to your guests. But before we show you the solution, see and hear what your guests have to say. You should listen to your guests and what they have to say.
Oh, Joe, I had such a bad night. Couldn't sleep, felt bloated and somehow charged.
Yes, Sally, I have problems too. Tensions in neck and shoulders, headache, unrest, and even after 8 hours in bed, I feel totally drained and tired.
It's really a pity. The hotel is so nice, but there must be some electric radiation, or maybe what they call the sick building syndrome.
You know what, Sally? I don't want to spoil our holiday. I know another hotel in the city that uses this new device. I think it is called the CyberScan. With this they can give you a little magnet strip card, custom made for your body. And all the problems are gone. Come on, let's change the hotel right now.
Yes, I think you're right, Joe. Let's change the hotel. But didn't those people in this hotel never heard of CyberScan? Maybe we should tell them, so we could stay here in the future. Next time we better watch out for the CyberScan certificate.
We will do that definitely. That will save us a lot of trouble. Happy holiday then. Introduction to made of morphogenetic energy. Morphogenetic energy. Consequently, our Earth with all that is to be found therein and thereon, is made from morphogenetic energy. All functions of the body are not triggered by hormones, enzymes, or other material things, but by electromagnetic signals of the brain. This makes the brain, although very effective, but also prone to interference. There are many interferences, in particular electrical, magnetic or electromagnetic fields, geopathic stress, modern high buildings. Furthermore, chemicals, pesticides, metals, and heavy metals may disturb such information by the brain. The immune system is not weak, but easily disturbed. This is the reason why intruders such as bacteria, viruses, fungi, etc., are no longer detectable and can thus carry out their sinister work. Disturbances then show up, with imbalances in the morphogenetic field of the body. These inequalities has to be compensated, in order to restore the energetic balance of the body again. Only then, the immune system can undisturbed pursue its work in protecting the body and keep them healthy. To protect the body against such interference, especially during sleep, one has to alter the morphogenetic field surrounding the body. CyberScan, as a quantum physics-based cybernetic biofeedback device, detects the energetic imbalances of the body, and compensates for them, by the transmission of balancing frequencies. Those frequencies are congruent with the underlying problems. The integrity of the morphogenetic field of the body is restored, and environmental problems are blocked out. We now want to demonstrate the ease of application of CyberScan on an example. Please, take some minutes to watch the following demonstration. There are 3 simple steps to make your guests happy. First, create a client file, and take the energetic sample of your guest. Add a new guest here. Take a sample. This can be done by putting the hand of the guest on the test platform. This takes about 10 seconds. Or use a hair sample of the guest. Fill in the data for the guest. And finish by clicking on the OK button. Here you see that the new guest is selected for testing. Go to the balancing wizard in order to perform the test. And select the groups for testing. Click on the first group for testing. And click the little tree button to perform the test. The result will show up within seconds. With the signal count on the bottom of the result window, we see that 383 signals were tested. With a click on the trigger button, on the top of the window, we delete all the irrelevant signals, and go ahead to test the next group. After triggering the result, we come up with 25 signals as the final result. To make sure your guests are calm and relaxed and really will enjoy their stay at your hotel, we'll include the frequencies of flowers essences into the test. Flower essences are well known for their calming and relaxing properties. Also, to help the guest's body to remove toxic waste, we include the frequencies for the drainage of such unwanted remains. We open the balancers list now. And test the group flower essences. And the group drainage. We save the result now. This is the balancing report. If you use Microsoft Word instead of the built-in report generator, you may customize the report to your liking. Now we are going to transfer the information from the result list into a EE card. We open the software module, Balancings, and select our result list. Now we copy the content of that list down to the output window. And select the EE card as the carrier for the energetic information. Now put a blank EE card into the card slot on the left-hand side of the CyberScan device, see picture. Don't forget to include the guest's energetic sample into the imprint by ticking the box. With this you make sure that the positive alterations of the morphogenetic field are for this person only. CyberScan will detect the EE card in the slot automatically and start the imprinting process. Now you can remove the EE card and hand it out to your guest.